I would say it's a blessing being a woman. जब हम किसी को डिनर पे लेके जाते हैं तो rather than us footing the bill, they'll end up paying for the bill.
To me, Sudha Murthy, who's the chairman, wife of Infosys, she inspired me a lot.
Each and every woman inspires us to be us in our daily life.
We are also sitting here as a combination of females coming from different families, handling different set of responsibilities. Somebody is inspired by her mother. Somebody, I think, is getting inspired every day with the women we come across in our daily life.
Internally, I was scared because I was in my early 20s and I was still building up my career. Then getting into in-laws, not having any woman work in that house.
अगर women को support करते हैं तो एक बहुत चेंज भी है. मुझे थोड़ा ही टाइम हुआ है यहाँ ज्वाइन किए हुए एंड आई एम सिटिंग विद ऑल दीज पीपल. यू कैन सी दे ऑल आर सपोर्टिंग मी. आई एम न्यू हियर एंड दे ऑल आर माय सीनियर.
Kind of like the creativity work, which is like I get into even sketches or maybe drawing or even candle making or many things I do. And even I'm a baker also.
Hi, my name is Bhavdeep Kaur and I'm working as a Vice President Sales and Marketing with AMP Motors. It's been absolutely phenomenal to make a comeback to AMP Motors with Jaguar Land Rover as a brand. The way the brand is progressing, the way it is catching hold of the very many eyes of not only the Prime Minister of a country who drives this phenomenal brand, but also the high-end individuals who are aiming to reach a certain standard owning this particular brand, which is Range Rover. With AMP Motors, the comeback has been very nice.
My name is Garima and I am working with AMP Motors for last 13 years now. I think the journey with AMP Motors has been commendable. I think I am the only female in the organization who has the largest team. I think I have 20 to 25 girls in my team. Got an opportunity to work with the automobile dealer, and that is when I entered AMP. And I think this is the best ever decision that I've taken in my life because I've got so much of exposure working with AMP Motors. I cannot explain. I myself have spent 13 years. If you ask me, till the time I feel that I'm fit to work, I would never want to leave this organization. Wow. But I would really want to name Mr. Anand, who's the best ever MD I think I have ever come across in my life, and the best ever man. He's so down to earth. He's so humble. He's so considerate about the women in his organization.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Charu Datta and I'm working as a head HR with AMP Group. AMP Group, if I would like to describe about this company, we are almost 45-year-old organization. We started this business in automotive component, almost 45-year-old. There are 4 generations which has been, involved into this to bring this empire to this level. If you just talk about there are 4 generations, I would like to again brief about them. First, the forefather, they started the trading business. Then the second generation, they started the automobile business. The third generation, they took the retailer of Jaguar Land Rover. We are the largest retailer in the NCR region. And the fourth generation, he himself has started his independent business and they are into the trading of exports of these gym equipment and all. Right. And beside this, there a woman, their daughter, she is altogether from a different background. She has started her own AMP foundation. So if we just talk about the 4 generations, I think they are doing wonders. Everybody is doing altogether a very different ball game. So this is something a USP of this business, which I have never ever seen in my past 25 years of experience. Great. Where normally, if you just look at the generation, they always pitch in into the same segment of business. Yeah. Right? So this is the USP of this business. Yeah. The MD, Mr. Gurmeet Singh Anand, he has a very, he honor the women's like anything, right? But this company is amazing, they spend a pretty good, time with women and they hats off to their contribution.
My name is Bhavya. So I recently joined with AMP. It's about a year.
So my name is Priyanka Malhotra. I've started my work with 2005 and I have initially it was with Taj Hotels that I was working. and then I got into automobile. So JLR was my first automobile, Jaguar Land Rover with AMP Motors, the same company which we are today I'm working with, and where I've won the 2 awards, I would say, after my comeback also. With JLR, like it's been like very good experience always, like with the first automobile, as I was saying. So it was the best in the first go, I would say.
I'm Shani Yeshudas. I'm with AMP Motors from last 3 years, and I'm proud to be a part of AMP Motors. The respect which the management and the colleagues gives to their women employees is really commendable and appreciable. So I'm really proud to be a part of AMP Motors, and I love to be with this organization forever.
I'm a person who will never give up. This is my attitude always, right? Come and face it, right? There is no second way. There is no option of to exit to move out. That's it. That is how I feel.
Very good. Head on.
Yeah, add on.
I kind of like the creativity work, which is like I get into even sketches or maybe drawing or even candle making or many things I do. And even I'm a baker also, though that was a full-time work which I was doing eventually. Like I had taken the break from the automobile and from the hotel industry for almost like about 5 years, and I was doing my work completely into corporate giftings and even baking and designer cakes, all those things.
I think I am a fun loving girl. I love to enjoy people. I love to enjoy the companies. I love to talk. Basically, I talk too much. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोलती हूँ. If I'll sit with someone, तो I think मैं ही बोलूँगी. मैं सुनती कम हूँ, बोलती ज़्यादा हूँ.
मतलब वो वाला तुम्हारा नाम क्या है भव्या? वैसा वाला.
I'm enjoying each and every moment as a woman. I love being emerging from each and every challenges with a smile.
Very
I'm a
good.
strong person, and I'm learning each and every day, and I'm trying my best to do good in both my personal and professional life.
Completing a journey overall for about 25 years with the luxury automotive industry. It's been a phenomenal experience. I mean, I entered the industry when there was not a single woman who was in this industry, and I was the only woman who was there in the sales and marketing arena. I've enjoyed it thoroughly. There's been a lot of love, support, and I would say challenges, which I think we all women face. But all the more being into sales and in the marketing front, the challenges rather double and triple, because you've got a male to male competition, but they sometimes find it very difficult that a woman can also give them a challenge.
I am fearless. I'm confident. I am very emotional. I am very dedicated. And I think I am very practical at the same time. I don't fear saying things. And I always want to stand out. And I think I believe in doing the right things.
Basically, I was talking about women needs to support women, and this is how we can rise and shine in our respective industries. And let's hear more about it.
The generation that I am in, I mean, I might be a little bit of an old school thought. I feel it is so important that we support each other.
Yeah.
Even the newer generation,
Yes.
I mean, if they think about it, that there are challenges that every woman goes through. So what are we doing at the moment? We get up in the morning. I mean, the ones who are married or who have got kids, they are hustling through the morning, trying to bring their health,
Yeah.
their fitness.
Yes.
The second they try to do is make sure that the breakfast, lunch, dinner is sorted before they leave the house. The third thing that we all try to do is that your parents, because we are into an age that your parents, your in-laws, your kids are well taken care of. And the fourth and last but not the least is your job. So you're working. I work 12 hours in a day. I mean, it's not that I'm working only 12 hours, but it's the mobile phones, the emails on the phone. It really pulls you to the core that while you're not sleeping, you're literally working. I go to the washroom, I start my day with an email, I close my day on the bed with an email. So for a woman, if we all understand each other's pain areas, these are not really pain areas, but we all have to live through it. We all have to understand each other a little bit more. When we ask someone for a help, please realize that she's really needing that help.
So basically, in such a shrewd and cruel world, our life will get little easy if we get support from our co-women.
Absolutely.
Yeah, co-workers.
And with the charm and with the hope that we really want to make this a better place to live, you know, that really goes a long way out.
लाइक अगर वुमेन को सपोर्ट करते हैं तो एक बहुत चेंज भी है और आई थिंक एक ट्रू एग्जांपल ऐसे भी है बिकॉज मैंने अभी भी मेंशन किया था कि मुझे थोड़ा ही टाइम हुआ है यहाँ ज्वाइन किए हुए एंड आई एम सिटिंग विद ऑल दीज पीपल यू कैन सी दे ऑल आर सपोर्टिंग मी आई एम न्यू हियर एंड दे ऑल आर माई सीनियर रिस्पेक्ट दे गिव मी सो मच लव आई थिंक मतलब वेन एवर दे कॉल मी आई फील द पॉजिटिव एनर्जी और आई थिंक मैं अगर वापस स्माइल करती हूँ जस्ट बिकॉज गिव एंड टेक
Yeah,
मुझे वो मिल रहा है तभी मैं वापस कर रही हूँ
yeah.
एंड दैट इज द रीजन इफ यू विल वर्क हियर आई थिंक मैं आगे भी ही काम करूंगी तो दैट इज द ओनली एनर्जी विच आई एम गेटिंग फ्रॉम ऑल दीज पीपल
So my question is that if you get one weekend wherein no responsibility whatsoever, no office, no family, no bacha, no nothing, no friends, nothing, what would you want to do that weekend?
I would like to go on a wellness spa. Just relax, rejuvenate, put the phone off. That is my dream. Just be on your own.
See, I'll tell you, when we are in our childhood, right? I do remember to watch serials, to watch movies. We have to go to someone else's places, right? And then while watching, you are just seeing around. कोई तुम्हें देख तो नहीं रहा, right? So the point is that the kind of discomfort is always be there. So I would like to prefer to watch all those, you know,
Old
serials,
movies.
old movies, then you know old serials like Malgudi Days. See, serials they have some moral values,
Yeah.
and I really enjoy watching these kind of things.
I would like to travel a lot. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा if I get a weekend with no responsibilities. I will travel. I'll just explore different places, different cities, different people, or I would enjoy.
So I'm really fond of singing and I'm really fond of dancing. So I think I will do that.
So for 2 days you'll keep dancing?
Yes, I can do that because that's what I love.
Awesome. So
Yeah.
your favorite number?
Oh, I think whichever is the up and running nowadays, I can dance on anything. That has always been my passion. So if you get to follow your passion for 2 days, who would not want to?
So I will first of all put my phone off, definitely, if that's possible, and without any alarms. So I'll sleep, and also I'll do some creative work, and also I would love to bake something, but it's been long I've baked. Definitely, I would say my mom only, because she's the one who's like, she's not very well educated, I would say, first of all, and but still she takes care of everything, and very poisely, I would say, with very like she tries to maintain herself in the social culture also very well. And she's been very strong. My father died in like almost 2005, he expired. So post that, she's the only one who's taking care of us.
See, Richa, I think, you know, for every woman, the mother takes a very important role in the family, and right, we learn a lot of things from them. But if you just talk about myself, I think to me, Sudha Murthy, who's the chairman, wife of Infosys, she inspired me a lot, right? Because, you know, there are 2 steps of life. One, before marriage, and second, post marriage. You know, before marriage you learn a lot of things from your mother. Post marriage there is no one who will teach you, right? So you have to you have to learn a lot of things by your own. So, and there you need a person who's a very settled kind of a person, you know, who has crossed all the boundaries. And I think Sudha Murthy, she proven herself. She's a very jolly good fellow. If I just look at her journey from the day they created the Infosys, they bring it to that level. I think, you know, behind her husband, you know, she is always stands like a pillar. And I think that is also a very important aspect of your life, right? You don't have to serve your one family. I think the other family is equally important, where you have to stand along with your partner. That's important.
बहुत अच्छा कुक है तो कोई बहुत अच्छा बातें कर लेता है, कोई बहुत सुंदर है तो कोई बहुत चैलेंजेस के टाइम पे भी दे स्टैंड स्ट्रांग, कोई टूट के भी मुस्कुरा लेता है. तो आई थिंक हमें हर from each and every person, from each and every woman, we are able to learn something. Like each and every woman inspires us to be us in our daily life. तो अगर जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ मेरी मम्मा शी इज लाइक शी इज ऑल्सो अलोन, अब केरला में शी इज सेटल्ड एंड शी इज लिविंग हर लाइफ अलोन. मेरी मदर इन लॉ शी इज अलोन फ्रॉम लाइक शी लॉस्ट हर हस्बैंड एट अ वेरी यंग एज, बट बहुत स्ट्रांग है. उन्होंने मुझे बस एक ही चीज़ सिखाई है, कीप स्माइलिंग, हंसो, खुल के हंसो. एंड मतलब आई मीन जितनी वुमेन जितना स्ट्रांग है ऐसा कोई भी नहीं हो सकता. तो इट्स everybody in herself is an inspiration, I think so.
I think I've got inspired today itself by what Bhavya said, by what Shani said, and I think what Priyanka also said. If we see, we are also sitting here as a combination of females coming from different families, handling different set of responsibilities. Somebody is inspired by her mother. Somebody, I think, is getting inspired every day with the women we come across in our daily life. I think I'm really inspired with the way I've seen my mother coming from a very, very mediocre family, getting married into, a better class of a family. And I really saw her struggling. I think वो टाइम तब होता था कि जब ससुर के सामने दुपट्टा सर से नीचे नहीं उतरता था. ग्रेजुअली धीरे धीरे वो वक्त चेंज हो गया. बट खाना बना रहे हैं विद शी ऑलवेज टेल्स मी कि मैं तुम्हें ना एक हाथ में गोदी में उठाकर मैं तुम्हारे को बेटा फुल्का बनाती होती थी या चपाती बनाती थी. आई एम रियली इंस्पायर्ड बाय हर. एंड द अदर फीमेल दैट आई एम रियली इंस्पायर्ड ऑफ इज प्रियंका चोपड़ा, आई मस्ट से, because the way she's brought herself up globally, I highly inspired.
So we are talking about worst advice we have got as women.
I was told in the beginning of my career to leave working and be a housewife, because that's something which the society expects out of us, because working women are somebody who cannot have a work-life balance. They eventually land up just focusing on their career and not on the family. But internally I was scared, because I was in my early 20s and I was still building up my career. And then eventually I was getting married, and then getting into in-laws, not having any woman work in that house, no daughter, and I was the first daughter-in-law of the house. It was a challenge which I took, and I must say the surroundings have been very, very supportive. Had they not been supportive, to an extent, I wouldn't have been able to travel this way. But they are in the back of my mind, who really challenged me that you won't be able to do it. Lots of challenges, personal, official, professional. But I would say the family is there to support your husband, your parents, your children. That really takes you forward. Yeah.
MBA from Bharati Vidya Bhavan, right? And the first thing, when I entered into the industries, and that too Honda car, I got a department which is known as IR department. IR is Industrial Relations, right? And here you have to talk about more into you have to be with blue collared staff. And we have an employee strength of somewhere around 3,000 people. 1,500 were blue collared, more than 1,500. It was over a period of year, it became the unionized company, and a lot of conflicts, disputes, and everything. I've seen all the faces. So IR seems to be a very it's a male-oriented department.
Okay.
HR is something, it's a very sophisticated, where you have to interact with the white collar staff. But, here the IR seems to be. So many times, why you are working in IR department, it has nothing to do with your education. It has nothing to do with your caliber, right? Why don't you move down to banking? Why don't you move down to your teaching profession and all? Because that time these professions were very, very common, right? And for females, moving down to the industry never seems to be a very, good ball of game. IR is something very tough. You'll get a woman who has a very strong, who has gone through the industrial disputes, who has gone through the unionized culture, you have seen to it, making ourselves into drafting the agreement and all. So yes, That was the one advice somebody told me. You can't.
But you did.
We did.
Awesome.
The worst advice was given to me to get married to a rich guy. कि पैसे वाले लड़के से शादी करोगे तो आपकी लाइफ सॉर्टेड है. मेरे को आज लगता है कि अच्छा है कि मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं कराया, बिकॉज शायद मैंने वो किया होता तो आई वुड हैव नॉट बीन व्हाट आई एम टुडे. आप देखते होगे शादी होती है, लोग बोलने लगते हैं बच्चा कर लो, है ना, बेबी कब कर रहे हो. बेबी पालना हमने है, चाहिए उनको है. ऐसी ऐसी एडवाइसेस मिलती है, जिन्होंने कोई लेना देना नहीं है उस एडवाइस से, वो आके सलाह देते हैं.
One last question. One challenge you feel being a woman. Can be anything.
See, I think this will be a little funniest, but very, very true. Every woman will agree with this.
I would definitely agree with Garima. She rightly said we have to plan everything before going. Mainly, I would say wash my hair. That's the biggest challenge for me.
One biggest challenge being a woman currently I'm facing is being a mother of a teenager. That's really a big challenge. Every day a new mood, every day a new question, new queries, और मतलब हर दिन I have to learn along with her.
I think the biggest challenge is to meet the expectations जो डे बाय डे होती हैं हमारी पर्सनल लाइफ में भी, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में भी. क्योंकि आप थोड़ा करोगे तो एक्सपेक्टेशन और हाई है, फिर उस एक्सपेक्टेशन को मीट करोगे फिर उससे हाई है. वो आप अपने लिए खुद ही चैलेंजेस खड़े कर रहे हो, और उस चैलेंजेस को भी मीट करना वो एक अगेन एक चैलेंज है. तो आई थिंक एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है.
चैलेंज तो नहीं है, आई वुड से इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग बीइंग अ वुमन. व्हाई? बिकॉज एक तो जब हम किसी को डिनर पे लेके जाते हैं तो rather than us footing the bill, they'll end up paying for the bill. So that's one. And normally when we have to approach, I mean even a customer or somebody, our path becomes a little bit more easier being a woman. So I would say it's a blessing.
Being a woman, I think, challenges, we have to accept it, right? And that is why we are women. Only women can take the challenge and they can bring the things into our next level.
Yeah.
So we are made for challenges. That is how we are.
That is how we are.